is Shivanshi from Plastic Studio Magazine, and you're watching me on Plastic Studio channel. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, your introduction, all yours.
So, I am Priyanshu Jajodia, the director at Uma Cosmo Plastics. At Uma Cosmo Plastics, we are indenting agents for various petrochemicals based in Far East and Southeast Asia for the Indian market. Not only for the Indian market, but also for the other markets like the USA, Middle East. So, we handle all kinds of polymers, be it commodity, specialty, engineering. So, we have a wide polymer uh, base and a wide customer base which is pan India.
How was your experience about this exhibition? Like, it's the last day,
So we've had a fantastic experience here. The exhibition was very smooth, flawless from an exhibitor's point of view because everything was so pre-planned that it just felt like it was all served in a.
they have given us sufficient space for all this.
Yes, absolutely. I think it's very well planned when you see the alleys and everything.
What's the footfall?
Footfall, we experienced a good quality visitors. So when as an
That is
exhibitor,
much important.
that is very important. So as an exhibitor, the most important part for us is to have quality visitors, and we were really impressed with the kind of visitors we had. So we had visitors from multiple nations, if I may say. So we had visitors from Russia exhibiting, coming to our booth. I'm not talking about the exhibition in general, to our booth. From Russia, from Vietnam, from Singapore, from Chennai, Agartala,
That's a great
Sikkim.
thing.
I mean, we had such a wide coverage that it wasn't only Bengal and Bengal.
It's a huge
customers.
response.
Yes, yes. And the biggest part was all of them were quality. Like we had interactions which seemed fruitful and which I'm sure we'll take it further to the next step.
What that one advice would you like to give to the people who wants to enter in this plastic industry and want to start their businesses, career in this industry?
See, I think.
One advice, your experience about.
See, if you ask me about my experience, if they want to enter into the plastic industry.
Firstly, give the advice.
No, I'm just giving you my advice itself that they should come to exhibitions like this to understand
What is plastic?
what is plastic. So one is the idea around bad plastic that gets out.
More important,
So you get an idea about what plastics is. Then you get to see, then you get a perspective on where all you are actually touching plastic on a very daily basis, which is so important. Even let's say from a toothpaste in the morning,
they don't know
They don't
what
know.
is plastic, then what?
I mean, the variety is such that people still don't know that this is also made out of plastic. And they are consuming plastic maybe even on a minute.
If they don't know what is plastic and what they start.
Then, so this is the reason why they should come to an exhibition like this to understand how things are made, from
The
plastic,
plastic industry is growing. I'm saying
how the plastic industry is growing, and how they can be a part of this growth.
that's great, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.